Hi, this is Pete from blogginggenius.net. I'd like to welcome you to video 5, where I take you through your blog settings. If we go down to the left-hand side here, you can see the settings. The first setting is General. So in the General settings, it gives you your site title. So this is the title to your blog. This is quite crucial for SEO purposes. It needs to be, if you have a keyword in your URL, then your site title needs to have the same keyword in it. So when Google is searching, when somebody searches for a certain keyword, and then they can see that your blog has that keyword in the title and also in the URL, it will really do you a lot of favors on for your search engine rankings. Tagline. In a few words, explain what this site is about. So here you just need to put anything yourself a capital. So now my tagline is welcome to Pete's blog. I know, not very inspiring, but yours needs to be quite descriptive. Maybe have an LSI keyword in here so that when Google looks, it can see your site title and your tagline, and it will see related keywords. So now basically it gives you your WordPress URL, site address URL, the email address that you set up in cPanel in a previous video, the date format, so November the 21st, 2010, that's the one that I like. Also the time zone, you can set your time zone. I'm in the UK, so I'm Greenwich Mean Time anyway, so UTC +0. So the date format, time format, so it's 9:41 PM, I will keep it at that. You can have it 9:41 PM or with a large PM, and also 21:41, so the 24-hour clock. Click Save Changes. The next is the writing settings. Size of the post box, 10 lines, leave that as the default. Formatting, convert. Emetitions like this and this to graphics, so these are the smileys that you see, the small little yellow faces and whatever. So if somebody uses any of this, it will be converted. The WordPress should correct invalidly nested HTML automatically. Click that. The default post category, until you add more categories, this will just be uncategorized. But as you add more, then this drop-down menu will get larger, and then you can select which post category you want as a default. The same as your link category. At the moment, it's set at blog roll, which is okay anyway. You can change it, have useful links or something like that. If you look on blogginggenius.net, at the bottom in the footer, you'll see it says useful links. This is basically a blog roll, but linking to all other blogs. You can post by email. You need to set up a secret account with POP3 access, give the details here, and then you can post your blog by email. I don't, but some people might like to. And also you can do remote publishing using Atom publishing protocol. For now, that's not very important. Okay, the reading settings. The reading settings, so your front page can display your latest posts, or you can make it a static page and have your posts on a different page. So when people come to your blog, if you wanted to put up a squeeze page, a landing page, so if you have an ebook or some videos that you're trying to give away and to get lead capture, then you could make that your static page. So whenever somebody comes to your blog, straight away they'll see your offer and be able to opt into your email list. Blog pages show at most 10 posts. Syndication feeds, this is for your RSS, so it shows 10 items. I would leave these are standard default settings. I would leave them as they are. Each article in the feed, full text, leave that as full text. I will show you in a later video how we can clip posts. So it gives the text at the bottom of the post saying, read more of this article or something like that. And encoding for pages and feeds, leave this as a standard UTF /8. Save changes. Okay, next is the discussion changes. These are basically for all your comments. So attempt to notify any blogs linked to from the article, leave that checked. Allow link notifications from other blogs, pingbacks and trackbacks, definitely leave that checked. This is great for SEO because you're linking to other blogs, allow people to comment on new articles, allow people to post comments on new articles. Now, you definitely want to have this checked because you want people to participate in your blog. So if they can't leave comments, then they definitely won't come back. Other comment settings. Comment author must fill out name and email. This is crucial. Users must be registered and logged in to comment. I don't bother with that. Automatically close comments on all the... Now, the standard here is 14 days. I change that to 90 days. So basically what it does then, it closes comments on articles that are older than 3 months. And this enables threaded nested comments 5 levels deep. So if I leave a comment, somebody replies to my comment, and then I reply again, it will allow you to go 5 levels deep. Email me whenever. These are checked in the default. Anyone posts a comment is held for moderation. Personally, I uncheck them because I don't want an inbox full of emails telling me that somebody's just posted a comment on my blog. Comment moderation. Hold a comment in the queue if it contains 1 or more links. The default for this is 2. I change it to 1. You don't want too much spam. And also here you can make a blacklist, if you like, of words, URLs, emails, or IP addresses of people that you don't want commenting on your blog. And again, here's another for the blacklist where you can put all your words and it'll be marked as spam. So you could put, for example, Viagra, Cialis, porn, that kind of thing. Any comment name with any of those words in it, and it will be flagged as spam. Avatars. This shows a small avatar next to the person's blog. So if somebody already has their own avatar, so it could be a picture of themselves or a logo or something like that. So if we leave on show avatars, and then we can choose here which avatar. So if they don't have an avatar, this is what shows up on the blog. So it'd be Mystery Man Blank, Gravatar logo, Identicon, Wavetar, or the Monster ID. I like the Monster ID, so I leave it at that. Save changes. Next is the media. This, just leave it as it is. You don't need to change anything here. It just gives you the thumbnail, the medium size and large size for your images. It tells you where the uploads are going to be stored. This is default. Leave it as that, unless you want to change it yourself. The next is the privacy settings. Now, site visibility. Now, this is very, very key. You'll see here that I have it checked. I would like to block the search engines, but allow normal visitors. What that means is that people will only see this site if I actually give them the URL. Now, you don't want that. You definitely want, I would like my site to be visible to everyone, including search engines like Blog, Bing, Technorati, and Archivers. So you definitely need to have this checked. As this is a test blog purely for these videos and for future videos, then I'm going to block it for the search engines. So it changes. As you see up in the top left, it says Pete's blog, search engine blocked. And the last one, but definitely not the least, and this is quite an important one, is the common settings. Now, by default, WordPress will give you this. So whenever you write a post, it will be your URL / and then a load of mumbo jumbo after. So letters and numbers. Looks ugly. So we're going to go with a custom structure. I have a piece of code here, which I will put below this video on my blog, so you can copy and paste it. And what this does, this gives you a custom structure. So whenever you write a post, you'll have your, so it would look like this. Say if I did, for example, a post and it's called Welcome to Pete's Blog, this is now what it would look like. So it would be petesblog.com, welcome to petesblog.html. So it would be if you were in the weight loss niche and your blog was called naturalweightloss.com, and you wrote a post called natural exercise, then it would be naturalweightloss.com / naturalexercise.html. This enables you to get keywords, more keywords, LSI keywords into your URL. So we'll click Save Changes. Okay, that's it for this video. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to upload and install themes. Thanks for watching.